Welcome to Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education Jammu. I am Renu Bala, wishing all of you happy learning through home classes. Stay home, stay safe and healthy, and stay happy. Today we are going to discuss a new topic from grammar, that is notice writing. You might have seen notice board in school displaying the notices. Have you ever wished to write a notice? It's not a difficult job. All of you can write it when you follow some tips about it. नोटिस लिखना आपके लिए कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है. आपको फॉलो करने हैं इसके लिए कुछ सिंपल से रूल्स जो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताने जा रही हूँ. आप उनको फॉलो करिए और कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ लिखिए, आप आराम से लिख पाएंगे. सो लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट नोटिस राइटिंग. हाउ कैन यू राइट अ नोटिस? Which important rules you need to follow for effective writing? A notice is an important aspect of communication which reflect information about an event, celebration or occasion. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. For example, your school's on the occasion of annual day, sports day, some other meetings or events. The necessary information is passed on through notices. I have seen some students get confused, very often confused, and are unable to differentiate between a notice and a message. Let me make it clear. A notice is a formal document of information and is displayed on a notice board, while a message is a personal and informal way of information. Moreover, a notice is addressed to people, whereas a message is generally addressed to one person. So, writing a notice is very easy for all of you. After you know some basic rules for the notice, which are as: notice is always to be written in a box. The presentation should be neat and appealing to the eye. It should be in easy and formal language. You can use simple words and keep sentences short but grammatically accurate. Never use first person while writing a notice. That is, there should be no use of I, we, and me. This is the most important rule which should be memorized by heart. It should be in passive form language to deliver a direct message to the reader. The ideal length of the notice is 50 words, so precise language is appreciated. Relevant symbols and standard abbreviations can also be used in the content. All this detail has been given in PDF in the link given below the video. Now we come to format a component of the notice. Writing an effective notice is an art, and that can be acquired with practice by keeping some basic points in mind while writing. So you have to remember some tips when you start writing. Rather, it's better to note down these tips. For format, all of first you have to mention name of the institution, organization or office issuing it. It may be your school. Let us suppose it may be your school. If you are writing this notice from the school, and this name of the school can be written in capital letters. Next is date of issuing of the particular notice. Like in application, you write the date. You have to mention here date of the notice. The heading notice to make it clear. Eye-catching caption or title to hold the immediate attention of the readers. It should be according to the main idea on which the notice is based. Just you give title to your stories, your essay. So title should be very clear and eye catching. Now we come to the body or content of the notice. It should contain all the necessary information required in the notice with specific instructions and purpose. The content should be followed by 5 W's to make it more clear, and those 5 W's are what, where, when, who, and whom. Now, what is notice about? That is what's going to happen. Where, that is important detail about the location where event is going to be held. When, that is exact time and date of the event. Who, that is who all are supposed to adhere to the notice or who can apply. Whom, whom to contact or get in touch or apply. At the end of the body, there should be signature of the person who is responsible for notice followed by name. One thing is very important. During exams, when name is not to be mentioned there, you can assume yourself XYZ or ABC and sign accordingly. Below the name, there should be designation. Your name should followed by designation as you are head boy, head girl, monitor, etc. Whatever designation has been allotted to you. A plain format as sample is shown here on the screen. You can follow it. You know, practice makes a man perfect. So nothing to worry. Keep on practicing. Perfection will automatically shine within you. I hope all the important points required for effective notice writing are clear to you. Start writing, and in case any doubt or clarification, you can ask me through comment box. I would suggest here to watch the video at least twice or thrice to make the topic more clear and understandable. Then start writing any notice of your choice according to the guideline given below. Thank you.